Most people are late and they almost never replace cabin air filter, and we'll explain how often you should do that and where it's located. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to remove or replace cabin air filters, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step. We will explain how often you need to change it, because most people will never change it, or they'll change it too late. That can affect your health, it can affect allergies, it can affect the air, quality of the air inside the vehicle as well. So it's super important guys to take care of it on schedule, because otherwise you can compromise your own health. So let's explain about that now. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So let's go ahead and show you now what to do here. This is a Dodge Challenger guys, 2018 model. Doesn't matter if you have V6, V8, procedure will be about the same for both. So if we come right here, you can see this is the 6-cylinder engine. Cabin air filter guys is super important. Why? Because when you have the heater, the HVAC system on the inside, when you have the blower motor turn on, the fan, it will blow air, but that air will come fresh air from outside. It will go through right here, and when you have the recirculation button on, that air will circulate only from inside the cabin. But practically you need fresh air, because otherwise you can decrease on long trips even the saturation of oxygen. Tesla I think had that problem recently because they're so well insulated. But it's always guys when you have the defrost and AC on, sometimes it goes automatically to being from outside. So if we talk about that, where it's located, that filter, so you have right here two clips. You push them down and you pull the cap out, just like that. Check this thing out now. This is the filter guys. It has an arrow. Pay attention to that arrow. That arrow is pointing towards the inside. Now that filter, you wonder, how it's going to come out of there, right? You keep thinking, how is that filter coming out? Right here, check it out now. I'm trying to fit the camera. Let me see so you can get a clear view. You pull that thing out, the same thing on the other side. And that cap will open, and you can see that's your filter on the inside. Now right here guys, you may have a clip and you may remove it if it's still there. If it doesn't want to come out, what you can do at that point, you can get guys a screwdriver right here, a Phillips head screwdriver, and you need to unscrew it right there, so it can kind of like lift up a little bit. Otherwise that filter may not come out, or you may break your piece. So you have to be extremely careful how you do it. You can do it both ways, but probably by removing the screw will be a little bit easier. Now wait, that's the filter guys. You will see what's going to come out of it. This car has only 41,000 miles, so let's check it now. So watch this thing now. On the inside it's completely trashed, and you're breathing that stuff guys inside your cabin. So you can see that filter, clouds of dust coming, when we move it. So that filter is shot. How often you need to replace it? Quite often guys. Now according to the, this is the rear of car. According guys to, based on our experience, air filter needs to be replaced, cabin air filter needs to be replaced every 12,000 miles or 1 year, whichever comes first. And the other thing, if you drive on dirt roads or dirty city traffic, it's even recommended to change it more often. So definitely you need to take care of that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.